everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to set Firefox as a default web browser on your mobile device. First thing you do is, after downloading Firefox, now want to set it as a default web browser. Then once you open up Firefox after downloading it, it will give you the option to select it as a default browser. Now if you didn't do that, then let's say you clicked on not now and now you want to do it, is how to do it. Open up your Firefox app and next thing you do, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on settings at the bottom, which is the gear icon. Then you scroll down, you will see set as default browser, which is this one. After language, turn it on. Now as you can see, for whatever reason it's not working here, so that means my system setting has stopped it. So in case this happens to you, if it doesn't happen, it will be good. If in case it happens to you, what you do is that you go to your settings, your phone settings, and then scroll down. Now you can simply search for default apps here. Default, your search bar. Then you can see choose default apps, click on it. As you can see, the first option is choose default app. Then you go to browser app and then you choose the Firefox. It's as simple as that. So now Firefox is your default browser. So I've shown you the two ways you can do it. If you don't want to go through the hassle, you can simply do it those two ways. So now Firefox should be our default browser. You can see it has been set. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.